Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Stocks and You. I'm your host, Ulysses Herrera. Guys, as Bitcoin is trying to basically do its little thing and break out and, reverse to the upside, things don't seem to be looking super hot right now. We're gonna get right into that. So if you guys think that's interesting, stick around for the next part of the video. I'm gonna show you what the next price target for Bitcoin is at this moment, guys. Today is Thursday, January 27, 12:30 p.m. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bells. Let's get started, guys. So guys, yesterday I didn't make a video because my computer was having issues, and I had actually recorded the video, but I couldn't upload it. And now today I fixed the issue. So yesterday when we were here, I noticed that we had this rising wedge, and I was like, darn, we're probably gonna get rejected at our basically we got rejected at our horizontal ray of support line, guys. That was originally support, and now it's become resistance, guys. So if you guys like the fact that we were able to predict this channel right here, hit the like button, guys. So we were able to do that through technical analysis. Now we are now traveling within this range right here, guys. Now unfortunately there is a rising channel in the 4 hourly, which tends to typically break towards the downside. So right now, and I kind of said this yesterday when we were like at 38,000. Once again, my video didn't upload. So I think the next level, and it just seems like the momentum on the 4 hourly is just kind of waning to the downside. Open interest money flow index is kind of going down. So I unfortunately don't see it out of the cards to retest 33,000 at this point, unless we get a major pump towards the upside. It just doesn't seem like we're gonna pump up, and RSIs all over the place are telling me that there is more downside to come. We've actually hit the 50. The 50 RSI became a resistance on the 4 hourly. Same thing on the 3 hourly, and then on the 2 hourly, same thing. So it's kind of just clearly become resistance in many time frames, guys. So what the only thing I could say right now is that it's kind of, I guess, on the more positive, and if anything not so much, is that we've dumped already a lot on the 1 hourly on these momentum waves. So it tells me that we could see maybe a potential of a small pump up. But the bigger time frame, which right now we can look at for price predictions to the short term, is the 4 hourly, and the 4 hourly just seems to have completely run out of steam already, guys. Now this right here, this wave is already down here, which is a good thing. Usually when they start from up here, they crash down and take the prices down hard. But the fact that it's here and it's kind of coming down already could lead us to believe that maybe the price drop won't be so severe. I mean, I don't see it out of the cards to test 33,000, and let's hope it doesn't, and let's hope that holds and it doesn't drop below, because otherwise it's gonna get ugly, guys. 1 week RSI for Bitcoin is near like the all-time lows. Not there yet, but it's getting near the all-time lows. So I mean, not financial advice, guys. I've already bought a lot of that dip already. But man, if I had more money, guys, I would be waiting and just buying, guys. Because historically, guys, you never, obviously, and I've said this for weeks and months, you never buy up here. This is where some people were buying, and I was just like, no, do not buy up there. You buy down here and then make the money. That's where I bought last time. I bought down here, made like 110 or 115% return. So yeah, right now you're getting near levels where you want to start buying some Bitcoin. Could it crash down even more? Yeah, it could definitely go down to lower levels that we haven't seen in long time, and that's not out of the cards anymore, unfortunately, guys. 2 week RSI, same thing. As I mentioned, this was like a point of support, and if we are breaking below it, like, then it's gonna get lower and it's gonna get dumpier. that's just not out of the cards, guys. To even see 30,000 still is not out of the cards anymore, unfortunately, guys. So that's kind of where we are with Bitcoin for the moment. Let's go to Ethereum real quick. Ethereum is kind of looking in the same spot too, honestly. The 2-week RSI is looking like it's heading towards the downside even more. It's gonna most likely break below the 50. And I mean, historically, guys, I mean, this is 2016. This is a lot of data. Not a lot. I mean, it's a lot, but compared to how long other assets have been around, it's not as much. But I mean, historically, you want to buy towards the downside, guys. You want to buy at these cheap levels. Could you? I mean, guys, Ethereum was almost at $5,000 just like a month or two ago, and now we are cutting in half. This is where you want to buy. You want to start accumulating in the bottom, guys, never the top. 1 week RSI on Ethereum, same thing, guys. It's getting near the all historic time lows. Not there yet, but it's getting there. So guys, I mean, if I had more money, I would just be buying all these things up, guys. I would be buying. I started buying, I think, honestly, too early for myself, and I regret not buying more, and I regret that I have to. It sucks having to pay taxes, because I could buy so much more Ethereum and so much more Bitcoin with that tax money and put it to work. I could buy so much more Ethereum. But anyways, that is what it is, guys. On the 4 hourly for Ethereum, it's kind of looking the same probably as Bitcoin. Yeah, same thing as Bitcoin. They always have very similar charts. The momentum kind of running out. Same thing with Ethereum. I wouldn't doubt to see us testing 2100 again. If we don't hold that, the next point of support is at 1900, guys. So that's kind of where we are for right now for both Bitcoin and Ethereum asset classes. Everything else is also in the dumps, guys. I mean, when Bitcoin and Ethereum dump, everything else dumps. That's just how it goes. That's just how things are. That's it for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching. You can always get out of the rat race too. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bells, guys. This channel is very, very important for you to keep an eye on, because we are always predicting things time and time again. Not always, but many, many times. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.